I never planned to have this car that long. It just happened. This car is very superior. It's not just any car.
West Bend, Wisconsin, home to a much-loved American classic. It's one classy car with a distinguished owner to match.
I am Royce. Behind me is my 1957 Bel Air hardtop. I'm the proverbial little old lady. Takes it to church, goes to the grocery store, and goes to the appointments. I've owned it since 1957. One owner for 62 years.
Just over 700,000 Bel Airs rolled out of the factory in 1957, but it's rare to see one in such immaculate condition.
I know how to take care of things, and this car proves it. The book says change the oil every 2,000 miles. I changed it every 1,000 miles. I have it serviced whether it needs it or not. That's how you take care of a car.
And a 1957 Bel Air in this condition could sell from anywhere between $35,000 and $85,000.
It's got 122,000 miles now. But those were put on during my active years. What we're driving on used to be 4th Avenue, and now they call it South Main. Here's where I went to school during the war. So naturally, I'm not putting on a lot of miles now. I used to be able to look over the steering wheel. Well, no longer. I look. It's very comfortable to sit back and look under the wheel. They don't make steering wheels like this anymore. Whoops, I didn't turn there.
The Bel Air was a reasonably priced, attractive vehicle, and with it came some special warranties. Good job Grace kept the receipt.
Midas gave their lifetime guarantee for as long as you own the car, and I'm sure they never thought somebody would keep their Midas mufflers for 62 years. But I needed a muffler.
A beautiful car like this is always going to attract attention.
Nice car!
And sometimes it's unwanted.
Someone tried to steal this car. The car was 20 years old then. It's the late 70s. It was parked on a side street. I approached the car and somebody was getting out the other side. I yelled, "Who are you?" And he was gone in the dark. And I drove to church because that's where I was headed. This car is very superior. It's not just any car. I never planned to have this car that long. It just happened. Year after year, they went by, and I was so happy with it, and everybody else is happy with it. Why give it up?